Here we see the intricate process by which hundreds of precise are manufactured for the rotating hook mechanism. The superior rotary hook design revolutionized stitching, but installation required a craftsman's delicate touch.
Careful assembly of the control mechanism ensures precise thread control. The adjustable tension is critical for the stitch quality.
Notice the meticulous detail here. The ornate spoke design and the knurled grip are complemented by the distinctive Singer name cast directly into the iron.
The craftsmanship on display here is remarkable, particularly the intricate drop-down mechanism essential for these Victorian-style cabinets.
These are classic hand-cut dovetail joints from an early 1900s Singer cabinet. The precision
Gently with that pulley, lads.
Right, she's clear. This one is bound for Liverpool. All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Watch your step there. Careful with the singer crates.
Did you hear about the new quota?
They expect too much for this wage.
Just be glad we have the work, Novi Drew.
And quiet, too. The finest machine Singer makes.
It will make quick work of the mending.
And the new vibrating shuttle mechanism ensures a perfect stitch every time, madam.
Notice the exquisite craftsmanship on this Queen Anne model.
Notice the perfect tension, madam. Now, place your feet here and apply gentle, even pressure. Excellent. You are managing it splendidly.
By the early 1900s, the Singer name, clearly visible on every machine, had become synonymous with the sewing machine itself.
Shove it tight against the wall. Careful now. We need 2 more for this car.
Rows of modest housing, built by the company, created a self-sufficient community where workers lived just steps from the Singer factory gates.
Steady now, lad. Watch the gauge. Easy on the feed.
Like this, sir.
Hey, that's it. Good cut. If we adjust the timing on the feed dogs, we can increase the stitch rate by 20%.
But what are the tension stability at that speed?
A testament to American manufacturing excellence. Precision engineering combined with mass production revolutionized home dressmaking across the globe.